Hi all. So today we'll discuss how the delivery indicator in the purchasing order will be selected automatically. So let me create a PO. So this is the vendor number. I'll just put the vendor number over here. I have put my purchase organization, then put my company code. Then I have taken the material number. Radium PO quantity is 200 and delivery date is this one. Net price will come automatically from the purchase info record. So storage location is 1000. Just click enter. Okay. There is no purchase info record is present. So let me put the price is 5000 for quantity. Click enter. And let I just put the 10% discount. Okay. Everything is fine. So when I'm going to create the purchase info record, there is a tab in the item view that is called as a deliver tab. So here there is a tab called as a delivery completed. So we have to do the configuration in such a way that after completion of the delivery, so the tab will check automatically, right? So let me check and save the PO. So no issue. So let me save the PO. So this is my PO number. This is my PO number. Let me do the GR. I go, click enter. Then after put the purchase order, click enter. So I have to receive all the desired quantity of the good from that purchase order so that the delivery will be completed. So now let's check. So no issue. So post now. So now the GR is taken place. So let me check the PO again, ME23N. Let me check whether the okay, it was not the purchase order. Okay. Please enter. Okay, click on the purchase order, then go to the item details. So now go to the purchase history. Yes, 200 quantity good has been received, right? So let's go to the delivered tab. Okay. So what we are seeing, the delivery has been completed, right? We have we did the 200 quantity PO and 200 quantity of a GR, but then also the delivery checkbox is not selected. So for this, what we will do the configuration. Let me do that. So for this, go to the SPRO screen. Then after go to SAP reference IMG. Then go to material management. Then we have go to the inventory management and physical inventory management. So go to there. Then after we have to do the plant parameter. We have to check the plant parameters whether our plant is maintained over here or not. So let me check my plant is over here or not. So AJ01 was my plant. So what I am seeing, there is no plant parameter over here, right? So I will come to here again. So then to select the checkbox in the complete delivery, what to do? We have to go to the good receipt in the material management tab. Then here in good receipt, there is a checkbox, a set of delivery completed indicator. So there. So here I have to select the checkbox. So let me check the plant AJ01. AJ01 is not present. So first what I will do, first I have to add my plant in the plant parameter. So what I do first in the inventory management and physical inventory plant parameter I have to maintain. So go to the new entry, then put the plant number over here as a 01, then save this. It will be better if I will copy this existing one, because if some other checkbox I have to select, let me copy from the existing one. So let me delete first. Okay. So then copy the existing one. Okay, I have to select this type of checkbox for the plant parameter, right? So you have to copy your plant from the standard one. So I just put the plant number over here, and you have to check the checkbox like this. You maintain over everything. So you have to maintain for your an entry with the key is marked for the deletion. Okay. So what to do? First save. First let me save again first. Save. Then go to position. Put the as a 02, the existing one. Then I have to copy this to the my new plant, that is as a 01. Then after click enter, then save it. So now plant parameter has been maintained. Then what I will do, then I have to go to the good receipt. Then go to good receipt. Then go to set delivery completed indicator. Now if you will go to position and let me put my plant as a 01. So now the plant parameter plant is coming over here. If you have not maintained the plant parameter, then the plant will not come coming over here. So now what I'll do, I will just click the checkbox for the delivery completed. Now save the button. Alright. So this is the configuration part to maintain the delivery completed. So what was the path? We have gone to like SPRO screen, SAP reference IMG, then material management, then inventory management and physical inventory. Then we have to maintain the plant parameter. Then after we will do the good receipt, and inside the good receipt, what I will do, I have to do the delivery completed indicator. So now go to the to create a purchase order again. Let me check. So this is the let me 21 again. So put the vendor number. No, this was not the vendor. This was the vendor number, I think. Yes, this was the vendor number. I just put the vendor number over here. Hit enter. Put the purchase organization and purchase group, and then put the material number. Then after let it I have received 300 quantity, delivery date, and net price is 4,000. Plant is 01. I have maintained right now the plant parameter for age 01. Click enter. So currency is INR. Click enter. Oh, okay. Also, so let me check everything fine. Just save it. This is the PO number. This is my PO number. Just copy that. Then go to good receipt with my view. Click enter. So put the purchase order number and receive the 300 quantity. Click enter. Check and post now. So we have did the we have completed 300 quantity here. So let me go to display the purchase order again. Yes, this was the purchase order. Purchase order history. We have received the 300 good. So let me go to the delivery. Yes. Here now the delivery has been completed. Checkbox is selected. So delivery completed. Checkbox is selected. So guys, if you want to do this configuration, you can follow the path. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are coming to my channel for the very first time, kindly subscribe the channel and share with your friends if anyone is preparing for the SAP. So thank you so much.